Good morning everyone. My name is Saksham and I study in class 9th-D standard. So today I am going to tell you about my plant Tulsi. So let's start. This plant is known as Tulsi. It is also referred to as the queen of herbs. Its leaves and roots are also used in medical. Some phytochemicals in Tulsi are also help us to protect against cancer. We can also drink Tulsi water early in the morning, which help us to is free of stress and depression. So this is all about my plant Tulsi. I hope you like this. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Deepak of 9th-D. Today I am going to tell you about my plant. So let's start. This is known as money plant. It is popular for bringing positivity, prosperity and good luck to the area. It also have a strong effect to the financial well-being. This air purifying plant is one of the most famous plant to energize the house by purifying air and increasing oxygen flow. That's all about my plant. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Arif from class 9D. So today I am going to tell you about my plant aloe vera. So let's start. So this is my plant aloe vera. Aloe vera is also known for its medicinal and skin care properties. There are around 500 species of the aloe vera in the world. This plant releases oxygen at night. This plant's gel is used to treat the skin care problems. This is all about my plant. I hope you like this. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Gaurav of class 9D. I am going to tell about lemon. So let's start. Lemon is used to treat survey a condition caused by not having enough vitamin C. Lemon are also used to make used to for common cold and flu, swing flu and ringing in the ears, etc. Thank you.